What's up, all you crazy box breaking, car collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central. One box of Spectra for you tonight, but first a bed break drawing for last night's breaks, giving away a $10 promo code. Here we go, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the winner is Ryan P. Now for tonight's break. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll paste those results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. And here is the roster for tonight. Alright, here we go. First, Chris Borland. Week 10 Rookie of the Week. Steelers, Troy Polamalu. 70 out of 75. Going to Michael C. Cowboys, Jason Witten. Going to Donald. 64 out of 75. Panthers, a blue parallel, Greg Olson. That one going to Edward, numbered 15 out of 49. Rookie blue parallel for the Bengals, Jeremy Hill. Bengals going to Ashley, 14 out of 49. Gold parallel for the Packers, Aaron Rodgers. Going to Donald, 4 out of 25. And a dynamic duos blue parallel for the Raiders, Darren McFadden, Maurice Jones-Drew. Raiders going to Robert R, 34 out of 49. And now to the good stuff. The first hit going to the Jags, Telvin Smith. Jersey patch. Jags going to Donald, numbered 22 out of 99. For the Falcons, Cornerstones game-used patch, Roddy White. Falcons going to Edward, 63 out of 99. For the Chiefs, Derek Johnson, game-used patch, going to Michael C, 77 out of 199. Another one for you, Michael. Aaron Murray, rookie patch, 49 out of 199. Dual rookie patches. That'll go to the top team, the Raiders. Derek Carr and Jimmy Garoppolo. Raiders going to Robert R. 179 out of 199. Rookie quad patch. It'll go to the top left, the Jags. We have Blake Bortles, Johnny Manziel, Teddy Bridgewater, Derek Carr. Jags going to Donald. 196 out of 199. Dual rookie autographs. So it'll go to the top team, the Bears. David Fales and Rashad Ross. Bears going to Angelo. Numbered 79 out of 149. Dual autograph for the Texans, C.J. Federwitz and Xavier Su'a-Filo. Texans going to Robert R. 120 out of 149. Dual autographs for the Vikings, Anthony Barr and Jerick McKinnon. That one going to Ryan P. 137 out of 149. For the Texans, on card rookie auto patch, Jadeveon Clowney. Congratulations, Robert R. 122 out of 149. That will do it for tonight's breaks. We're going to be off tomorrow, back at it Monday with some black gold football. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you Monday night.